everyone, good morning. It's Liliana from Vanilla Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the DIY decor for spring that has been put together by Christina from the DIY Mummy. There'll be a link to her channel as well as a link to everyone taking part. So, I am not very good at DIYing. There is no way that I can do the stuff that Christina does, but I do little things around my home and you're looking at one of them. So this picture right behind me is above my fireplace and I was really bored with what was there before, so I had a look around and this frame was big enough to go above it, but it had something like a map or something like that as a picture, and I really didn't want that, so I wanted something bright and colourful, flowery, in keeping with my living room, and this is what I found. This is actually a scarf that you can see. All I did was iron it so it was nice and flat and then just put it into the frame. I used a little bit of sellotape at the top and at the bottom just to keep it in place, and voila! Do you guys like it? Please let me know in the comments. Now, the other thing I did do, if you saw my video yesterday for the $5 Goodwill Challenge, you saw that I had a little salt and pepper bunny. Now I'm going to insert some footage from yesterday right here. So here it is. I have to say that it kind of doesn't go with what I'm trying to do in the living room, so I don't think I'm going to use it. I might, however, tomorrow is the DIY challenge for spring for the DIY Mummy, so I might do something with that and see if I can use it there. So like I said in that footage, I really didn't like the colour, so I thought, what else can I do with it? So let me show you. So this was the centerpiece I made with my $5 Goodwill Challenge items, which is that one and those little pots. And here's the bunny. Now this is a salt and pepper shaker, and all I did was spray paint it white, and then I got some stickers that I picked up in Poundland and just stick them on, and I really like it. I think it gives it just a different flavour. A little bit of glitter isn't a bad thing, and there you are. So that's it for this challenge, but I thought now I would give you a quick tour of my living room and dining room and show you all the little things that I've done for the spring. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Christina for putting this challenge together, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.